Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn how you can automatically create records for new Calendly invitees. Here, Calendly and Airtable are two different applications and there is no direct connection between Calendly and Airtable. That's why we are going to integrate both of these applications with the help of an integration software, that is Pabbly Connect. So that whenever a new invitee is created in Calendly, Pabbly Connect will automatically create records in Airtable. And you know what the best part is? This process requires no coding knowledge and any non-technical person can also do this easily. So let's begin with the process. Okay, so this is my Calendly account and here I have newly created this digital marketing workshop and this webinar on glass painting. Okay, so I'm going to use this digital marketing workshop for now and I'm going to show you how I'm creating a new invitee and how it is creating the new record in this Airtable. Okay, so here in the Calendly I'm going to go on this view booking page. Okay, and here I'm going to create invitee. Okay, suppose here. Okay, so at 9 AM, yeah, confirm, and here the name is suppose 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Okay, and email is 𝗪𝗵𝗆𝗍@gmail.com. Okay, now schedule event. Okay, so here it is created. Now I'm going this to invitee and we'll see whether we created the same record there or not. Okay, so here is the record, that is 𝗪𝗪𝗆, and this is the email and this is the meeting agenda. Okay, so everything and every detail is here. That means we have successfully connected Calendly with Airtable through Pabbly Connect. Now to initiate the process, let's type pabbly.com in the new tabs browser and to learn the whole process. Okay, so here in the new tab type pabbly.com, press enter. Okay, so here this is the site of Pabbly. Here you have to click on products and you have to click on connect. Wonderful. Now here this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here you have to sign in. As I've already created my account, that's why I'm directly signing in. You can also create your free account just in 2 minutes. So sign in. Okay, so this is my account. Here I'm going to click on connect access now. That's how you will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you have to create the workflow. With the help of this create workflow button, just click on it. And here you have to name your workflow. So I'm going to give it name as Calendly to Airtable. Okay, now click on create. So this is the name of your workflow. Here I would like to mention that I will add the link of this workflow in the description box. You can directly clone it and directly access it into your account. Okay, so whenever you'll click on create, these two windows will appear. This window is known as trigger window and this window is known as action window. You might be thinking, what is this trigger, action or trigger action window? So let me tell you, automation works on the concept of triggers and action. When this happens, trigger says and action says do this. Suppose in this use case, whenever a new invitee is created in Calendly, this will be a trigger and create record in Airtable automatically will be action of this process. So that's how we are going to make a connection between Calendly and Airtable. Here one more thing, how we are going to make a connection. First we are connecting Calendly with Pabbly Connect, then Pabbly Connect with Airtable. Okay, so in this manner we are going to make a connection. So here in the trigger application, I'm going to choose it as Calendly. Okay. And here the trigger event. So trigger event is invitee created. Okay, now as I've already told you that we are going to connect Calendly with Pabbly Connect first. So for that we have to click on this connect button. Okay. Okay, now API key. For API key, you have to follow this instruction. Okay, so here Calendly account and integration. So I'm going to click on this integration. And here we will reach to this integration page. And here you have to copy this key. Okay, so you have copied it. Now go back to Pabbly Connect tab. And here you have to just paste it. Okay, now click on save. And you have saved the credentials. Okay, so here what we have to do, we have to click on this save and send test request. Okay, and here it is waiting for webhook response. Just click on it, and here I'm going to this Calendly, and here this time I'm going to make a entry or invitee in this webinar on glass painting. Okay, so here, okay, and I'm going to make it on like 15. Okay, so here the time is 9 AM. Okay, confirm, and here the name. Okay, so the name is 𝗪𝗵𝘆 𝗪𝗆. Okay, so this is 𝗪𝗆 𝗪𝗵𝘆 9:30@gmail.com. Okay, so here I'm going to schedule this event. Okay, now I'm going back to this Pabbly Connect, and here we have received the details in the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so here we have got it, and have a look here. Okay, so here the start time, the start date, everything is here. Okay, and the name of the invitee, email, and everything is visible here. Now what we have to do, we have to send these details to our action application, that is Airtable. Okay, so for that what we are going to do, we are going to connect Pabbly Connect with Airtable. Here we have successfully connected our Calendly with Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to connect Pabbly Connect with Airtable. So for that I'm going to choose the action application as Airtable here. Okay, so here Airtable. Let me just scroll it down. Okay, so here Airtable, this one. Okay, here action event is create record. Okay, now again you have to connect it. So for that you have to click on this connect button, and here the token thing. So again you have to visit to this Airtable, and you have to go to this account section. Okay, so here I'm going to scroll it down, and here is the key. So just copy the key. Okay, and here go back to Pabbly Connect. Here just paste it. Okay, now click on save. And we have successfully connected Pabbly Connect with Airtable. Now these details are available here. We have to fill these fields. Okay, so here first we have to select the base ID. Okay, so base ID, mine base ID is this invitees. Okay, so I'm going back to this Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to select the base ID as invitees. Okay, okay, this one. Okay, so let me tell you one more thing, why this drop down is showing all these base. Okay, so let me just show you here in the base section. Okay, so these all will be visible in that drop down. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just click on your this particular section, and here it is visible. Okay, so here I'm going back to this Pabbly Connect, and we have successfully done with the base ID. Okay, now table name. So table name is invitee details. Okay, and here invitee name. Okay, so invitee details, not this one. I want this Calendly records. Okay, let me just show you it again. Okay, here this is the table in which I want to add a record. Okay, so here I'm going back to this Pabbly Connect, and here all the fields will be visible according to this table. Okay, like here name, email, meeting agenda, start date and time, end date and time, everything. So I'm going back to this Pabbly Connect, and here all the fields are visible. Okay, so invitee name, I can map it here. Okay, so let me just scroll up. Okay, so these all details like name, email, and start date, time, everything is visible in the down mapping section. Okay, so from here we can map all these details of above window. Okay, so invitee name, and invitee name is, let me just scroll it down, and this is the invitee name. Okay, wonderful. Now here invitee email, so I'm just going to type email. Okay, so this is the invitee email. Wonderful. Now here I'm going to click on meeting agenda. Meeting agenda is, suppose, this webinar on glass painting. Okay, so this is the event type. Okay, and start date time. So yeah, start time. Okay, so this is the start time. Okay, and here I'm going to add the end date time. So here, okay, so just typing it. Okay, so this is the event end time. Okay, now here the duration. So let me just show you once where is the duration. So this is the duration. Now add minutes or hours according to yourself after this mapping thing. Okay, so I'm adding it as minutes. Okay, so yeah, this is done. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, and we have done with the details. So now I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so we have received the response. That means we have sent the details or we have created the record in this invitee table of Airtable. Okay, so here I'm going to this Airtable, and here in the Calendly records we have successfully created the record. Okay, so yeah, Annie Malhotra, Annie, and this is the meeting agenda, and everything is visible clearly here. Okay, so I'm going back to this Pabbly Connect, and here what we have done, we have successfully connected Calendly with Airtable. Okay, so let me just minimize this action window and this trigger window, and let me summarize what we have done actually. So here what we have done, we have successfully made a connection between Calendly and Airtable. What we have done is we have connected Pabbly Connect with Calendly first, and then Pabbly Connect with Airtable. Okay, first we have got the details in Pabbly Connect from Calendly, and then we have sent details from Pabbly Connect to Airtable. In this manner, we have built an automation between these two applications. Okay, so whenever a new invitee is created, Pabbly Connect will automatically create record in this Airtable. Okay, and not just these two software, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. Link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is given in the description. For any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. And if you really found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.